Bodie, second video. You ready? Let's go, Bodie. Hey, no. Head out of the hole now. Come on, Bodie, this way. Leave it. Good boy. Okay, so later on I'm going to take the little shovel thing. I'm going to have to cover that up. Let's see, maybe I'll actually do that right now because he has dug that hole so deep it's like a pit now. Yeah, I'm going to try. It's pretty deep. Hey, no. All I need is some bamboo with points on it and it'll be a tiger trap. Hey, no, out. Move. Look, this is how deep this thing is. Move it. Move. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And there's a hole down there. I don't know if you guys can see. Hey, watch out. Move. I'm not going to help you dig. I'm going to cover it up. Move. Bodie, move. No. Out of there now. All right. Sorry, I'm trying to film this, guys, and I got one hand on the little shovel thing. Hey, no. No. Out of the way. Out of the way. Guys, trying to use my leg to move Bodie out of the way. Not kicking him. Please don't say anyone that I'm kicking him. Hey, no. No, yes, I know that I'm messing up your hard work, but I have to cover this up. Move it. No. No, out of there. Hey, hey, hey. No. Bodie, stop. Oh, my. Leave it. No. Okay, he's trying to go to work again. No. No. Okay, that time I had to use the e-collar on him. Out of there now. Yeah, I used the shock function actually. Hey, no. 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 Hey, sit. Sit. Bodie, sit. Stay. Yeah, he doesn't want me to interfere in all his hard work. But I want somebody stepping in this and turning their ankle. I mean, it's a huge, huge hole, so I don't see how anybody misses it, unless they're here at night. I'm doing my best to cover this up, but I don't know, it got pretty deep. Okay, guys, that's about as good as it's going to get. This isn't exactly a shovel that I have, so it's actually the pooper scooper. Okay, so come on, Bodie, let's go. No, out of there. Good boy. All right, so we have the wolf dog husky just came in. You can see right there the white one with the really long ears, white and tan, I guess it is. I'm talking to him. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, hey, Ben. Okay. I thought it was Obi-Wan Kenobi. I think it was Ben Kenobi.
This is like a name I chose.
Oh.
Yeah, how big went into hiding.
Oh, okay.
What gym are you going to?
I canceled my 24.
Why would you cancel it?
Because I'm cutting right now. I'm only cutting.
She canceled 24 hours. She's going to 48 hour now.
There's no point. I'm paying $35.
It's more intense at 48 hour fitness.
You can take her with you.
I can take her with me. I still
You're going to treadmill. Or the bike. The bike, I mean, the bike's going to.
Just do this.
Look at this Great Dane. Awesome. Wow.
Yeah, I don't do the bike. I do treadmill and Stairmaster because I want to elevate my heart. I'm running on it.
So is it like all the women on the Stairmaster and then there's you?
What?
Is it like all the women on the Stairmaster and then it's you?
Yeah, but I'm
You're like the only
faster than
guy.
them, bro. I'm at level 11. Dude.
Level 11?
Some girl going like 15, man. That shit's going fast. Dude. I was like, whoa.
Hey, no, out of there.
It pushes you, you know. Hey, keep on going, man. Treadmill, you gotta keep on going.
Liz, there's your son, Ethan.
Oh my God, my boy.
Oh,
This is my boy.
Logan is here. Hugh Jackman is his ulterior motive, or ulterior. What's the word? Ulterior identity. I don't know. I got all mixed up. What's up? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
How's the business of saving lives?
It's alright.
Yeah. How's the business of taking lives?
I don't do that.
Hey, what's
What's going on? How are you?
Good.
So how are you holding up on those long shifts?
They're cool.
No
Today
more.
was
No
kind
more.
of crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's not.
Are you allowed to talk about it?
What?
Depends.
Can? They're not pretty.
Well, as long as he doesn't
just don't
say
mention
anybody's
names and
names.
locations.
This is
You
pretty,
you be big about it. The details, dude. Come on, man. It's pretty crazy.
Just don't say if it was whether it was an animal or a human. Just don't.
You gotta be big. If he's old, say he was young.
How many times have you issued Narcan? Never?
None. Not
Really?
yet.
Gym lead tonight? Better, dude.
Okay.
Because I don't want to see you get small. Bro.
Yeah. You gotta keep up that Hugh Jackman image.
Yeah, I want to see that huge
Did you get distracted in the program?
No,
I'm waiting for the story.
Get a call for chest pain, right? So we roll up, and this dude just looks off. We're like,
Is he having a stroke or?
no.
Heartburn.
No. So we're like, alright, your vitals are fine, but sure, we'll get you to the hospital. We leave his house, take a right. He unbuckles the seatbelt and tries to fight my partner in the back.
Oh my god.
She's just like.
He tried, so then I pull over and I'm like, blah blah blah. We need PD at our location right now. So then I hop out. He hops out. No, we lock him in the back
He locked it in the back.
because he was trying to leave. So we just lock the doors. We lock him in the back.
And he wanted to go with you guys,
Edit
right?
that out.
We have restraints on the gurney, but he was acting fine.
He's medical.
We didn't think it was a citation. So he
Are you a nurse?
what
Yeah,
he
take the
does.
lowest and the low.
Hey, no, no. Bodie, come.
He got aggressive, tried to fight him, and then he just stopped. And he sat on the edge of the gurney, staring outside the back door. So then the paramedics were there with us. They helped us. No, so then our dispatch is in a lot of trouble right now.
Oh.
Because I called them and I said, hey, it kind of calmed down, but he's still irate. We still need PD to show up. And then she goes, oh, I never dispatched PD. You then hang up and call 911.
Ah.
She needs to get fired. She needs to get fired right now.
Was it stabbing?
She needs to get fired
Dude.
right now.
He tried
Do
swinging.
you know if you saw him, you're gonna go to jail? The criminals have all the
We
rights.
didn't know at first.
Cindy, the
So then
criminals
we,
have all
after that, he didn't try to fight us. We laid him
You're
down.
white, you're
The-
assaulting him.
Can you shut your mouth? The paramedics laid him down, put restraints.
What was his ethnic?
Took him,
Hey, don't make me have to
hospital.
edit that out.
And then we found out later he has a medical issue there.
Where? Of what?
Schizophrenia and
Oh,
bipolar.
shouldn't you
Oh,
ask
great.
questions like that? Do you have any
He
mental?
wasn't answering.
I should have gave it away.
He did give you an answer. Hey, once he started punching, that was his answer.
Kind of like, even I'm not a medical guy, and I
I'm
kind of.
gonna marry you one day.
You know what? That sounds like
Hold on.
that sounds like the
would've
start of a
assaulted him,
horror
They're like,
movie.
If
That's
you
the way
guys
it
would have
sounds.
you guys would be prosecuted by Gaston. Nope. Because the victims you would be the criminals.
Not if he's hitting us first.
It doesn't matter. This is an upside down world now, dude. You see that Marine? He was trying to save lives, and now he's on
He's
trial.
physically assaulting us? No, self-defense.
The guy was assaulted.
Hey, no.
Do not care.
Bodie, come.
You're wrong. You're wrong.
Dude, it's happening,
All right.
man. It's-
I need to look for, I
You're
guess
not
it's
seeing
rope
people
toy
get
or
arrested for
something
defending
to
themselves.
get him away from going after those golfers. I mean, the only good thing is that he's stopping when I call him out on it. Hey, no. You're not working your way back over there.
He's not doing it.
Yeah, you know what? I don't know. Okay, so I see his rope toy now. Hey, come on. Come on. Good boy, Bodhi. Yeah, let's get your rope toy, okay? Gophers aren't all that. They're not that exciting. Bodhi! Bodhi, look! 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 Bodhi! Ha! Okay, so I'm going to try to hold out with him in the tug of war. It's because I don't want him going after those gophers.
When they arrest you, they charge you. They arrested them. So they obviously got you.
Hey, so I forget your dog's name.
This guy's Leo.
Leo, okay.
Yeah.
So he's yours or a family member?
Well, I take care of him now.
Okay.
He's my niece's, but he outgrew her, and she doesn't
Oh.
care about him anymore, really. You know?
What?
She's just a girl, you know.
Oh, she's a little girl because
Yeah.
she's small, right?
Yeah, she's not a
Okay.
teenager at all.
Oh, I see.
She's 9, and
Oh, I
she
see.
doesn't want to play with them.
Oh, no.
He's really aggressive with all the males, the females,
really?
with all the females.
Oh,
sorry.
females.
Because
Okay.
he's not neuter yet, you know. But
Oh.
I want to breed him at least once before I do that to him.
Oh, okay.
At least once or twice, maybe.
Bodhi, are you gonna let me get it? Huh?
No, but he's kind of clumsy.
Oh, I see.
He's still a pup. He's barely like a year old.
Oh, really? Okay. Okay.
But I don't take him to the little dog park anymore.
Oh, what's that?
Because he's too aggressive with all the females over there.
Oh.
And he does the same thing over here, so that's why I gotta keep him away from him.
Oh.
Because he's gonna get attacked, and I don't want
I
him to
see.
get attacked, you know?
I see. Okay, Bodhi, you beat me. You beat me.
How old is Bodhi, Jeff?
5.
Oh, 5, okay. He's smart. This is very smart.
Hey, head out of the hole. Bodhi, come this way now. Good boy, Bodhi. Good boy. I've got a box of cookies back there. Yeah, so I got the cookies are secure in the backpack, and one of the dogs is actually trying to get in the backpack.
If I don't see you ever again, I know what happened.
Killed over cookies.
You were poisoned.
No, she would never do that. Yeah, Mystery Girl is the sweetest girl ever. Bodhi, come on, let's wrap the video. No, come on, let's go, let's wrap. Come on, Bodhi, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bodhi, up. No. No. Bodhi, come on, let's go, up, now. Bodhi, come. No, up. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Bodhi, up. Up. Good boy. Bodhi, sit. No. No. Sit. Shh. Hey. Good boy, Bodhi. Okay, so we're going to wrap this video. This is the second video for Tuesday. Once again, like I said, I've got the desserts in my bag that were brought for me. And unfortunately, my notes are stuffed up under there. It's a very tight fit. So I really don't want to try to pull that out and have to get to the notes. So I apologize for that again. But we do appreciate you watching. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. Also, make sure that notification bell's on. And then we want to thank all of you for watching. I don't know if I said that already, but we truly appreciate you all, everyone. Those who've watched many of Bodhi's videos, those of you who've clicked on Bodhi's video for the first time, we truly appreciate you all. And we want to also thank everyone who watches the ads that help support Bodhi, along with those of you who play Bodhi's playlist. That's a great help, and we truly appreciate it. And then there are those of you who have pressed the thanks button and have donated to Bodhi, and we thank you beyond words for that. So we appreciate you all, and we hope we'll see you on the next episode of Bodhi's World. We're going to go for 3 videos today. Yes, 3 videos today. And yeah, if I'm able to get those 3 videos for you filmed, that will just be awesome. All right, guys, so we're going to wrap. We hope everyone's doing well. Take care, and we hope to see you on the next video. Everyone, stay safe. Take care.